हाय फ्रेंड, नमस्कार। मैं विपुल इनकम टैक्स लॉ अपडेट में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। 21 सितंबर 2021 को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस ने प्रेस रिलीज में कहा कि टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट कंडक्ट सर्चेज इन द दिल्ली, पंजाब एंड वेस्ट बंगाल। In this search and seizure operation, the income tax department carried out search and seizure operation on 18th September 2021 on a leading business house of India involved in manufacture of textile and filament yarn, having corporate office in Delhi, Punjab and Kolkata. During the course of search operation, many incriminating documents, loose sheet, diaries, digital evidence, etc. have been recovered. This indicate involvement of the group in routing of the unaccounted funds back in its Indian entities. Possession of the foreign bank accounts unreported to the department. Substantial evidence of transaction outside the books of account, cash transaction in land deals, bogus expenses debited in books of accounts, unaccounted cash expenditure, accommodation entries taken from entry operators have been gathered. The group has maintained unaccounted fund of about 350 crore in its foreign bank accounts and also routed this fund back into its business through sale entities in tax haven. The modus operandi detected was related to investment by foreign entities under control of the group in foreign currency convertible bonds issued by its main concern and subsequently under the garb of defaulting on payments, converting it into shares of the company. It was also seen that foreign companies and trusts were being paid management fee for the managing the unaccounted funds. Though there is a specific requirement of disclosing foreign asset owned, managed in the form of the companies and bank account in the Schedule FA foreign asset in the income tax return, the same has not been disclosed by the group to the department. Details of the accounts related to unexplained personal expenditure in cash were found to be meticulously maintained in one of the main office of the company. Evidence has been gathered that cash of about 100 crores was generated by debiting bogus expenditure in company accounts and cash of transaction in land deals. The search operation is still continuing and further investigation are in progress. Thank you so much for watching this update.